Hey guys, video game Brawlers here, Pearson here today. I gotta paint it this purple, red, dark blue, gray, darker blue, gray. On Monday I got this, and I got paint the yellow eyes. Oh cool! I could use black textures to give arts and craft. All right, let's paint it purples and red, and dark blue. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now it's done. I just done painted all these purple, blue, and dark blue and red for our bodies for Goblinball for 1 hour 24. And now let's got the building. I've almost completed a build it. It's great. Let's do it. Alright, we're almost completed a build Goblinball. That's so amazing. That's the final touch right here. So this is a Goblinball 3D print from Bakugan New Vestroia. That's fantastic. That's cool. Awesome. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and artists. Video game Brawlers unboxing, artists, and Bakugan 2. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click it to the bell, click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you on next time for last part of Bakugan New Vestroia Goblinball 3D print, everybody. Bye, and Bakugan Brawl!